Meandering contract talks between the Jamaica Football Federation and the senior men's team will be concluded shortly. With two major tournaments mere months away, member of the JFF's negotiating team, Rudolph Speid, is giving yet another assurance. Here's Renata Brown.
There seemed to be more public criticism from both sides instead of actual negotiations, as the prolonged contractual talks between the Jamaica Football Federation and the senior men's team head into another week. But not for the first time. Despite the extended standoff between both sides, Rudolph Speid, who represents the JFF in the negotiations, still believes an end is closer than ever before.
We're still negotiating, and we have never been so close as we are now. This is the closest we have ever been, even closer than the time when I said we were close. We are even closer now. Okay, so we're still negotiating. Well, even this morning, we agree on a document not to disclose the figures that we eventually decide on. So I really don't want to go through the numbers, except to say their last offer that they made to us, say on the World Cup qualifiers, for instance, we're in agreement with three of the four numbers that is presented on from both sides. Both sides are in agreement with three. That is how close we are, just to give you an idea. So remember, you have the appearance fee, you have the bonus, you have the draw fee, bonus for win, bonus for draw per DM. And out of all those four things, we are in agreement with three.
Speid, who was speaking on the Sports Down the Middle YouTube channel on Saturday, however, gave the impression that the JFF is not willing to push beyond their current offer. In a press release last Wednesday, the players made public their request of the JFF. The release spoke of US $2,000 for the Gold Cup plus bonuses in response to the JFF's offer of $500 per match, US $3,000 plus bonuses for the World Cup qualifiers as against the JFF's offer of $2,000 per match, and US $2,000 per match for CONCACAF top 5 international friendlies, and US $3,000 for top 30 ranked FIFA teams.
We are just sticking to what we said from the first day. Players, we can't afford those rates. Players, what we're giving you is competitive to what the best the world has to pay. So we and this is our offer. We operate on a budget, and we have stuck to that even now. And we have said also, we are willing to talk about bonuses. The problem that we're having is if we fix the fee and pay it to you, you could lose every single game. And when the end of the qualifiers, then we will be stuck with a deficit, which we can't fund.
The players note that they are keen to finalize negotiations as the Gold Cup and FIFA World Cup assignments loom. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.